Hey TinkerBlock creators! Today we're building something absolutely magical. A sound-activated light show that turns your music into stunning visual effects. This isn't just a light show, it's a complete audio-visual experience. We're using the TinkerBlock TK27 analog microphone to detect sound levels and beats, connected to the TK33 WS2812 LED strip for brilliant RGB animations. The magic happens when we synchronize these two components. The microphone reads sound intensity and the LEDs respond with different effects based on volume and rhythm. Watch as I play different types of music. See how quiet sounds create gentle breathing effects in blue, normal music triggers green wave animations, loud beats activate red pulse effects, and very loud sounds create yellow running lights. The system even detects individual beats and flashes white accents. The code uses advanced beat detection with dynamic thresholds that adapt to your music. We smooth the audio signal to reduce noise, analyze tempo for rhythm matching, and automatically cycle through 6 different visual effects. The system even adjusts effect timing based on the music's tempo. This project teaches you real-time audio processing, advanced LED programming, and audio-visual synchronization. Perfect for parties, music visualization, and learning about sensor integration. Try it yourself and let me know what music you'd like to see animated. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your own TinkerBlock light shows in the comments below.